beautiful humans. Welcome to another slow living in Cape Town video. I'm so freaking grateful that you clicked on this video. So yes, enjoy the vibes, enjoy the views, enjoy the looks of this gorgeous, gorgeous city in South Africa. We're at the Kirstenbosch. Oh, I probably said that wrong. Gardens, and wow, grounding down, got the feet in the grass, sun shining, ponytail swinging. Feels good to have grass. Everything's picking at your feet, but really it feels good to ground in the grass. Man, it's special. Look at that kid right there. Who was that, man? I don't know who he is. He's pretty cute though. It's amazing.
The different blends of the leaves. Let's try the canopy.
Osumbana, yeah, Osumbana, yeah, Osumbana. Ona duru kodo ona gandanya kewara.
Starting to blender, babe. You know, something told me to get a cookie sheet at the store the other day because it's now giving quinoa bread instead of quinoa crackers. But it's gonna be good. I think I'm gonna just like maybe even it, maybe like separate it in like 2 different pans or something and make it do what it do. Yeah. I can feel like this. Yeah. That should work, right? Like thick, crisp. Because this is so satisfying. Okay, let's do a little bite test. Okay. It's crunchy. Delicious. We clean this motherfucker out. Ooh, ooh. Sparkling clean, just like how we found it. So cool. When you want to get the deposit back. Oh, good. How you feel, baby? He's not talking because he's behind the camera. Let's go. Put your shoes on. Pack a laptop. Let's go. Hello, darling. Welcome. Welcome in, sweetie.
Hello, Hello.
Hello, mister.
I brought your water delivery.
Muchas gracias.
Then
Muchísimas gracias. Black salt? Hell yeah, we're gonna use some black salt.
we are right there on the strip.
What?
Like it took me no longer than like 2 minutes to walk right to the store.
This is crazy, bro.
Yeah, like this is like a hot spot location.
It's
The
a
mountain
hot,
right
hot
there.
spot. Oh yeah. Mother-in-law's tongue? What's a mother-in-law's tongue? What's a mother-in-law's tongue? Let me see. Okay. It's giving Indian spice. Oh, reminds me of the curry I used to have. I used to go to this Indian restaurant when we were younger. And oh my god, this curry, this red curry reminds me of. Very potent. Spices are amazing. When they can leave you with spices, okay. When they leave you with essentials, right? Bed, spices, and then you can come in and bring your stuff and you can decorate. But like we don't really have to decorate because this stuff is our vibe. So it's really cool to have spices and essentials and the eclectic, quirky vibe that matches me and Bobby's style. So yeah, man. I won't even hang my stocking underneath the fireplace. You said something what?
I said it's amazing how you can still see like a huge portion of the mountain from right here.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, you should actually see this.
I'm coming. Yay! We get our mountain dose out. We get our mountain dosage. Ooh, this jacket is a moment. This like has to be hung somewhere. Like it has to be hung. But I'm gonna take that out. Brawls and pennies, brawls and pennies, brawls and pennies. Well, not brawls, because no more brawls. Bikinis and pennies, bikinis and pennies, bikinis and pennies. Holla. We really can shapeshift in each moment of our days if we release control. Breathe it in and be gentle with yourself. Once you're in a calmer state of stillness and awareness of your breath and your body, take time to unpack your emotions, like what feelings are coming up right now, how did they arise, get to the root of your feelings, and soften by giving yourself permission to process them. Oftentimes when we're feeling stuck, there'll be moments where we feel like we need to rush into something to appear quote-unquote productive. The toxic social norms where society tells us that we don't have time to be still. We need to get their shmoney. We need to be creating 24/7, or we need to be relaunching these products or projects ASAP, and all that yada yada. It comes to a point where we have to say, nah, I'm good, fam, on that and show up more holistically for ourselves by redefining what productivity looks and feels like to us. I was introduced to this act of freedom when I shut the doors to my first business at the beginning of 2022, when that business model was no longer in alignment. I was forced into stillness after that burnout, man. I chose to not take on active client work. I sat with myself. I got dark into my shadows. I embraced my light, had many tears in moments of uncertainty because I was shedding an identity streamed from that ego that I once had with that business. I birthed new art creations. I got silly and had more play dates with my inner child. I discovered that my idea of being productive looks entirely different from someone else, and yours does too. And man, that feels freaking liberating once you realize.
It's over